Hi, everybody. We are here to talk about a floor plan that you're going to be creating. I have a photocopy of it here in front of me, so I don't have to go back and forth. What I thought I would do was go over this whole thing, and then I realized that it's going to take hours for me to make a video of this. So I thought what I would do is a very basic version of a house, but will have a lot of these components in it, so it will show you the technique on how it's made. So let me go ahead and get this one out of the way, put it over there, and let's get started. So the first thing is I started out with the floor plan template that's going to be provided to you. It's got a bunch of fixtures in it, but not everything, but it has some. And it's set up with some background stuff so that it'll run for you under architectural, and it will be sized out properly and all that good stuff. So the template's available. So here's the template. Now you're going to go ahead and save as, and you're going to give it a unique name. Let's try something like your last name and maybe house one or house two or something like that. Mine has a unique name here because this is for you guys. Um, and all right, let's get started. So we actually don't need the template anymore. I'm going to go ahead and close that. Do not change it because, again, I saved as and changed the name. All right, so using the template, you're going to find that all the layers are already done for you, and they're all color coded and all that. You won't be using all of these, but for the most part, you'll be okay using these. Let's go ahead and pop our way out of that. Let's start with the wall, and let's start doing the walls here. So I'm going to do a line tool, and let's do again, we're not doing exact, I'm just giving you basics here. Let's do a 40-foot wall by 30 foot. Whoops. You know what? Let's start over again. Let's use the polyline so it's one continuous line. 40 foot. And then let's do this one at 30 feet. 30 inches. Control Z. 30 feet. Bring it over 40 feet and bring it right back down again. All right, let's go ahead and offset this now. So offset by 6. And because it's a poly, it's one solid line, so it does it all at the same time. All exterior walls are 6 inches thick. All right, now we're going to need to put some doors and windows in, so let's go ahead and explode these two so that they're individual walls. All right, I'm going to put the windows and doors across the front, and then for the rest of the house, I'm going to let you figure that out. So this is a 6-foot window, and it is 9 foot 3 inches from the outer corner to the center. 9 foot 3. So here's what I like to do: offset by 9 foot dash 3 inches, and let's pop it over just like that. Now I like to trim off the extra so it doesn't annoy me. And now we're centered here. Remember, it's 6 feet. So we're going to offset 3 feet on each side, just like this. And then let's trim it out. And we're leaving this center mark for now. But that's basically the vacancy of a window right there. So let's continue right along. We're going to do the door, which is 3 feet, and it is 10 foot 9 from the center of here to the center of here, 10 foot 9. So let's remember that 10 foot 9. And we're going to offset again by 10 foot 9. Whoops, 10 foot dash 9. You could do the inch symbol if you want to, which is the quotes, but you don't have to. But the foot symbol you do have to do. So let's offset that over. And now we're looking at 3 feet, which when you divide in half is 18 inches. So we're going to offset 18 inches on each side. Let's go back in and let's trim it out, but let's leave that center line again. And let's go over here. So we've got a window that is 10 foot 9 again, centered. So 10 foot 9. Offset by 10 foot dash 9. Bring it over like this. And let's go with 18 inches and bring one here and here, and trim out this. Now, I usually leave these till the very end, but because we're doing a short demo, I'm going to go ahead and remove them. I don't think I'm going to need them again, but we'll see. Now, we've got that done. Let's go ahead and put the windows and doors in. Normally, I do all of the windows, and I usually do the interior walls too, but let's just skip right over. So let's go over to first the window layer. And windows are super easy. We're going to go ahead and grab the line tool, and we're going to put a line down each side like this, and then one right down the middle. Notice that this line right here and this line right here is on the wall layer. That is extremely important that you do that. So looks like I made a mistake on this one because this was supposed to be a 6-foot window, but I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to leave it as a small window. But don't you make that mistake. If this was the real house, I would go back and have to do it over again. So I'm just putting these in. There we go. All right, the door. So again, we said this was a 3-foot door. Let's go to the door layer right here. And here's how a door is made. So we're going to get the polyline. We're starting, this door swings in on the left side. So we're starting at the left top corner. We're going to go up 3 feet, bring it over by 2, bring it back down, and you can either do that or you can type in 3 feet again and then pop it like that. Now we're going to get the arc tool and we're going to go 1 and then 2 and then 3. And that's easy. That's how a door is made. Or I do have a few pre-done doors, but you need to measure them out and see if they fit. And this is what an accordion door looks like. That would go on, like, let's say, where's an accordion door? I don't think I put one in here. But let's say you wanted to put it in front of this laundry room, you could put an accordion door right there. Okay, let's do some interior walls. So let's start with something like this. So you can see this is 12'3", this wall, but this wall runs continuously through the whole house. So does this one over here. So we're concerned with the inner measurement, the inside of the wall to the inside of the wall, 12'3". So let's do the old standard 12'3" using the offset. Bring it over like that. And we need to put the thickness of the wall on, so we're going to do interior walls at 4 inches. And make sure it goes to the right, because again, we are mainly concerned with the interior measurement, 12'3", right there. All right, so now we're looking at, let's see here. We've got this in. Let's put this one in right here. This is 13 feet, 10 inches straight across from the inside. So we go here, offset this. It is 13 foot dash 10 inches, and we're going to pop it over just like that. Now, we are working with an interior measurement, and we are needing to offset that by 4 and pop that in, and we are good on that one. Okay, so that's how you put the walls in. You're basically measuring everything. Things like the tub, they're already here, so you can just take them and you can use the move tool and put them in place. Whoops, I'm going to do that with the ortho turned off and try that one more time. I'll use the copy tool. So you can put those in place like that. Oh, and an important thing here is when the wall ends like that, you need to trim this because walls are joined in with each other like this. Otherwise, you're not working with a proper floor plan. So don't forget to go back and trim all that stuff out. All right, so follow through with the rest of the walls, put the fixtures in, and any questions, that's why I'm here. All right. Okay, so with that, I'm going to end this recording, and we will continue later. Bye.